The heroes crossed the rainbow bridge. Stay together!
The crystal gates welcomed the heroes.
Amazing!
A mysterious blue light guided them.
Let's follow it!
The ancient crystal door stayed locked.
The key belongs here.
The mountain answered the golden key.
The path is open.
The crystal stairs reached the clouds.
Keep climbing!
The glowing arch revealed a secret garden.
It's beautiful!
A crystal flower revealed a tiny treasure.
Look inside!
The crystal seed floated ahead.
Let's follow!
The rainbow river blocked the way.
We'll find a way.
Crystal stones rose from the river.
Hop carefully.
A sparkling cave waited beyond the river.
Enter with courage.
Glowing symbols lit the crystal cave. They're showing the way!
The crystal puzzle guarded the path.
Let's solve it.
One crystal symbol glowed brightly.
Press that one.
The crystal puzzle unlocked a hidden chamber.
We did it!
A glowing crystal rose into the air.
The heart crystal!
The heart crystal revealed a secret map.
Another adventure!
The glowing map marked a secret tower.
That's our next stop. The heart crystal opened a glowing rainbow portal.
Your next adventure now!
Your next adventure begins now!
The rainbow portal carried them into a magical sky.
We're flying! The floating islands formed a glowing path. Stay together!
A giant crystal sky whale appeared from the clouds.
Wow! It's enormous!
The crystal sky whale soared through the sparkling heavens.
Look at those sky bridges!
A shimmering guardian appeared on the crystal bridge. Only kind hearts may pass.
3 glowing crystal hearts floated into the sky.
Which one is real?
The golden key pointed toward the true crystal heart.
I trust the key.
The true crystal heart floated gently into Lumi's hands. Kindness revealed the truth. The crystal bridge transformed into a rainbow staircase.
The castle welcomes you. It's even more beautiful inside.
The glowing throne awakened with ancient magic.
Someone's waiting for us.
A radiant crystal queen appeared above the ancient throne.
Welcome, brave guardians. The crystal queen touched the true crystal heart with gentle magic. Your kindness restored its light.
A secret chamber opened behind the crystal throne.
The final gift awaits.
The glowing treasure slowly revealed its secret.
This is the Rainbow Compass. The Rainbow Compass pointed toward a mysterious new world.
Another adventure is calling!
The magical map revealed the hidden Rainbow Kingdom.
Can we go there next?
The Crystal Queen opened a gateway to the next adventure. The Rainbow Kingdom awaits you.
Together, the heroes step toward a brand new adventure. Let's discover the Rainbow Kingdom!